Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is cool one right here, and basically what this is a case that is for your iPhone 13 Pro device. But I believe they also make this for like other phones such as iPhone 12 or iPhone 13 or iPhone 13 Pro Max, and the list goes on. If you guys can see, the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, and this is basically what the packaging looks like. So I'll actually open up and show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is basically what the product looks like. Let's take it out. Alright, so when we first take it out, this is basically what the product looks like. So in the back right here, they do provide some accessories that you can use to clean off your phone and everything before you guys apply it on. So you see right here, they tell you guys what's included in each one of these right here. And you see right here, they provide you guys more stuff, so let's take it out. So right here, they provide you guys instruction manual to teach you guys how to set up the product and how to use it. And right here, you can see they provide you guys two of these glass screen protectors. You can definitely use this to apply onto your phone. So not only are you guys getting the case, but they also provide you guys the glass screen protector as well. So when we take it out, let me show you what it actually looks like. So right here is a glass screen protector, you can see. Definitely feels like a high quality material that they use on here. And the way how to design the glass protector right here, you can see they definitely have a little bit of an opening right here. So you basically just want to peel this tape off right here and then apply it onto your phone. So since I already have one on my phone, I don't need to apply a new one. But if you guys don't have one, you definitely can apply that on. But right here we have the actual case. If you can see, it's an all clear case. And when you guys feel the material on here, it's definitely pretty flexible. But when you guys feel the inner layer right here, you can definitely feel that material inside feels really nice. And the outer layer right here, it definitely feels really nice as well. It's not anti-fingerprint because I can definitely still see my fingerprint on here. But they mentioned for the case, it is military grade protection when you guys actually drop it or if you guys scratch it or whatever. And they also mentioned the way how to design the product is anti-shock. And I totally see what they mean, because if you guys look at right here in the corners, it definitely has that impact resistant or that drop resistant material that they use on here for that extra protection if you guys accidentally drop it. So it's definitely all like the buttons and everything on here, but I actually put it on the phone first to show you guys what it actually looks like. So you basically just want to clip it on like this. And once you guys put it on, this is basically what it actually looks like. So right now I have the iPhone 12 Pro because I don't have the iPhone 13 Pro yet, since it hasn't been shipped out yet. But in terms of size comparison of the iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro, it's the same size. But in terms of the way how to design the lens right here, it's slightly bigger than the older version, you can see right here. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys put it on. If you guys look on the side right here, they definitely have the button slots right here. And we do have the opening right here for the sliding button. But obviously, like I mentioned earlier, we are using the iPhone 12 Pro. That's why the sliding button is not here. So they definitely moved it a little bit down. And then same thing for our side as well. So we have the buttons right here. And see behind the case right here or inside the case, we have the iPhone 12 Pro, and it's a little bit different. We definitely have the protections throughout the pod right here. And then here's what it looks like in the bottom. So you definitely have the opening right here to actually let you guys charge your phone. And then here's the open slot for the speaker. And the way how to design this one in particular is the fact that they also have the opening on top right here. So that way it actually gets surround sound when you guys use the speaker on here. And the reason of why they designed it this way is so that way the product can be dust resistant or dust proof. If you guys look really carefully on the back part right here and also in the front part right here, it's raised just a little bit to give you guys that extra protection layer for both the top part here and also in the back part right here as well. It's probably more noticeable in the back part because there's a lot more raised in the back right here compared to the front side. And then when you guys hold the phone right here, you definitely get a good grip as well. Like when you guys try to move it back and forth or glide it right here, it's not that easy to actually move it back and forth because it has that non-slip material or that good grip on the side, which is pretty nice. And when you guys actually put on the case and feel the case right here, it's pretty thin compared to a lot of other cases out there. So if you guys are trying to look for a thin case that give you guys that protection on here, this one might be the one for you guys. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if you guys are planning to get like the brand new iPhone 13 or 13 Pro. I believe they have this case available for all the brand new iPhone 13 devices. So if you guys do want a case to protect your phone, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to want one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else to actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.